everyone. Today we will be talking about the Digitek lightweight TV tripod stand. Model number is DTR550LW. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So there you have the main unit right over here, and as you can see, I provided you a bag with the tripod stand, which is a very good thing. So let me just take it out from the bag for you. So there you have the tripod stand right over here. There you go. And as you can see, it's a very nice black color. You can see there's the band right over here. And they have also provided you with the adjustable head. There you go. Here's the mount right over here at the top, as you can see. And like I've mentioned, it's a tripod stand. So obviously it stands on 3 legs. Also, not only that, you can adjust the length of the legs. So all you need to do is you need to open these flaps. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. So let me just take it to the full length. Not only this, you can also extend the length to a higher level by doing this. So I'm not going to do for the other 2 legs because it will be very difficult for me to show it to you. But you have a gist of it, right? So that's all, folks. This was all about the Digitek lightweight TV tripod stand. Thank you so much for watching the video.